Hey YouTube, I'm going to show you how to replace a driver's window switch, and this will go for all the other window switches, will be similar. On a 98 to 2002 Lincoln Town Car. So what you're going to want to do not pry this end. It has two hooks that hook under this trim. So you're going to go to this front trim here. You're going to get a little pocket screwdriver carefully under. You don't want to hurt your door panel. And then you'll pull it up and pull it forward. See those hooks? Then we'll pop her over. Now you can really see the hooks. See, if you pry from this thing, you'll break it. Okay. So we'll unplug. Whoops. R2. To help you, go ahead and unplug these other connectors. So on each side, it hooks in like so. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to get our little pocket screwdriver in. Push this out enough where we can just, see, pop it up a little. Pop it up a little. Just be careful. Don't want to break it. I'm not putting that much on it. I'm just getting it slightly past. See, I work it where I get it slightly past, and then I'll pop it past. Okay. Work this slightly out enough so our little thing so it's out more than our catches. Take this in my lap here. That's dirt stuff down at this one. Okay. Pop another. Pop another. Here we go. We have our prize. Now, when we take our new one, which we have here, we'll just line it up like so. Okay, and they'll push it, it'll snap. Then we come back to these. Now the nice thing is these are keyed. They only go in one way. They got this little release tab you push here. Push that and it releases them. They're really nice plugs. There's our just put in all of our, and each one's keyed a little different, so they will not interchange. It's just pretty nice. And then they click, and then you put your back end in first, and then push your front end in, and it snaps. We put our key in, we give our switch a test. She works. Hey, this side needs a regulator. Oh, yeah. So this whole car is going to get a regulators, and I will have videos on that.